With meteorologist Elisa Raffa, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Good morning. We are starting out with a dense fog advisory out there this morning. It goes until 9 o'clock along and south and east of the interstate, where we could find that visibility dropping to a quarter mile or less at times. So what you'll need to remember this morning is to take it slow, use those headlights even after the sun comes up, and give yourself some extra time and extra space on the roads this morning. It's been tough to see outside of this camera this morning. It is working. We're just finding all of those low-hanging clouds. It is 54 degrees in Springfield. A cool start out there this morning with some light southerly winds. We've got that visibility down to 3/4 of a mile in Fort Leonard Wood, 3/4 of a mile in Springfield, and that fog again stretching back down the interstate. So just be careful out there this morning. Extra time and space will be needed as you head out to work and school. Temperatures are all about 5 to 10 degrees cooler now than they were this time yesterday. A little bit cooler to start this morning with those temperatures in the 50s. It's 53 degrees in Mountain Grove, 55 degrees in Ava, 54 degrees in Springfield, and you've got a pair of 5s in Branson as well. So here's what we've got going on regionally. Again, this is what's left of Beta still, with that rain trekking up through Mississippi, Alabama into Georgia, and then getting into Tennessee. The last of that rain continuing to exit to the south and east. We have some of that moisture working its way into the Ozarks, which is why we've got some of that fog developing, but then dry areas coming in on the backside of what's left out of Beta. You could see the convection, or those very tall clouds, really bursting near Jackson, Mississippi. Again, all of this headed out to the east. So hour by hour, we'll continue to find clouds peeling away to the south and east. Temperatures will be up near 80 degrees today. Temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Overnight, crisp, clear, and cool with those lows back in the middle 50s. And then by tomorrow, lots of sunshine again, a little bit warmer with those highs getting into the low to middle 80s. So we're looking at a warm weekend ahead of a front where we'll find these temperatures getting into the middle and upper 80s. Then a front comes through late on Sunday, likely dry. We might find a couple of showers, but we'll start to trend a little bit cooler by Monday, and then way cooler going into early to middle of next week. You'll have a much cooler air mass coming in on a second shot of cool air behind that front, and temperatures will tumble again. So here's a look at what this temperature roller coaster looks like. We'll be warm this weekend ahead of the front. Temperatures in the middle and upper 80s, about 10 degrees above average. Then we'll find the downhill side of that roller coaster with temperatures headed back into the 70s Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday could be pretty chilly with temperatures stuck in the 60s. The overnight lows will get pretty chilly as well in the 60s this weekend, and then dipping into the 40s by Wednesday morning and Thursday morning of next week. 80 degrees today, really nice sunshine out there with some southerly winds. 56 degrees overnight, mostly clear and cool. 85 degrees tomorrow, mostly sunny and a little bit warmer. Really quiet 7-day. We're again not going to see too much rain out of that front. What you'll find is that temperature roller coaster, warm 80s this weekend, trending cooler on Monday, then another punch of cool air comes in by the middle of next week.